Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can help identify AI generated images? With Samsung's digital provenance and Galaxy AI information tools, you can check whether an image was created or edited using Galaxy AI features. Let me show you how it works. First, open the Gallery app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Next, open the photo or image you want to check. Now swipe up on the image to open the details screen. You can also tap the details option if available. Here, you may see information about the image, including AI related metadata. If the image was created or edited using Galaxy AI tools, you may see a message like contains AI generated content. You may also see which Galaxy AI tool was used, such as AI tool use photo assist. This helps you identify images that were generated or modified using Samsung Galaxy AI features. Keep in mind that this feature mainly detects content created with Galaxy AI tools and may not detect AI images created by other apps or services. And that's how to check if a photo is AI generated on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.